This is installing the Dodge 4-speed 45 RFE replacement valve body. The original had a bent accumulator plate and was throwing out transmission shift codes. So this is the new one, or I should say the replacement one that I got off of eBay. It's about $137. There's 6 of these bolts, 8mm socket head that I torqued to 11 nanometers or 100 foot-pounds. Quick search on the internet was kind of hard to find what the actual torque specs was, but 100 inch-pound seemed reasonable. Putting back the valve body, I kept 2 of the screws close by in the pan holes, and with one hand lifted it up until it wiggled back into place, and then once it leveled out, put the 2 screws on either side until to support the weight until I could pull my hand off and get the rest of the bolts in. Then I put the connector back on, and it presses on, and the silver horseshoe-shaped retainer locks it back in. And if you recall your removal, it's a little bit of a bear to come off. I used a mirror just to make sure I wasn't snapping off any of the retaining tabs. To facilitate the removal of that earlier, I did take off the transmission shift cable. That's held in by that bolt. There's 2 of those. And I did remove the shift linkage here and marked it with a Sharpie just to help me remember the position when I put it back. And now the transmission pan will go back on and fill back up with fluids, and hopefully the transmission codes go away and I'll get past second gear.